Students, in this chapter, differentiation, we have another method, that is transformations. This means the derivatives of some functions can be found simply by using trigonometric substitutions and or algebraic manipulations. By using these two precautions, we get the given function is differentiation is very simple compared to the direct differentiation. Now see the examples. See the example. If root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y, then show that dy by dx is equal to root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus x square. So given function is root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y. So by using trigonometric substitution, the function is very easy to differentiate that one. So let's take x is equal to sin a, that implies a is equal to sin inverse x, y is equal to sin b, that implies b is equal to sin inverse y. The values of x and y are applying in the equation. We get root of 1 minus sin square a plus root of 1 minus sin square b is equal to a into sin a minus sin b. We know that from trigonometry 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. It is root of cos square a plus 1 minus sin square b means cos square b is equal to a into sin a minus sin b. Root cos square a means cos a plus root cos square b means cos b is equal to a into sin a minus sin b. It is like cos c plus cos d. We know the formulas cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. It is like that sin c minus sin d. That is sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. By applying these two formulas for this, we get cos a plus cos b. We can write 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 is equal to a into 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So 2 cos a plus b by 2, 2 cos a plus b by 2 cancel. So in this side we have cos of a minus b by 2 is equal to, in this side, a into sin of a minus b by 2. So we write cos by sin, cos of a minus b by 2 by sin of a minus b by 2, that is equal to a. We know that cos by sin means cot. Cot of a minus b by 2 is equal to a. We write a minus b by 2 is equal to cot inverse a. So take the cross multiplication. A minus b is equal to 2 cot inverse a. Already we know that a is equal to sin inverse x and b is equal to sin inverse y. We write sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to 2 into cot inverse A. Now differentiating on both sides with respect to x. We know the formula for sin inverse x, derivative of sin inverse x. That is 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus sin inverse y derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx is equal to 2 cot inverse A is a constant. Derivative of constant term is 0. That is 1 by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx. That is 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Take the cross multiplication. This dy by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus y square by 1 root of 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the solution of the given problem. So take the function, that is root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y. This function is very difficult to direct differentiation for you, not me. So we use some substitution here for the for easy purpose. Take x is equal to sin a, that is a is equal to sin inverse x, y is equal to sin b, that is b is equal to sin inverse y. Apply the values in the x and y values in the equation. We get cos a plus cos b is equal to a into sin a minus sin b. We use the two formulas. These two are very important formulas in trigonometry. That is, we use that one. That is cos a plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Applying these two formulas, we get cos equal to a into sin. That is, right, cos by sin, that is cot. Cot of a minus b by 2 is equal to a. That is, a minus b by 2 is equal to cot goes to other side, that is cot inverse a. Take the cross multiplication, a minus b is equal to cot inverse a. We know the value of a and the value of b. We write the values of a and b here. That is, a is equal to sin inverse x and b is equal to sin inverse y. Now take the differentiation on both sides. It is, you know the formula for sin inverse x derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. At the same time, derivative of sin inverse y is 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx. The derivative of the constant term is 0. So all the formulas apply. Then we finally get dy by dx is equal to root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus x square. See the another example. If y is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square minus tan inverse of 4x minus 4x cube by 1 minus 6x square plus x power 4, and show that dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, given y is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square minus tan inverse of 4x minus 4x cube by 1 minus 6x square plus x power 4. This is the given function. This function is directly differentiation is very difficult for you, not me. So for your easy purpose, we apply some substitution. That is, x is equal to tan theta. Let x is equal to tan theta. It implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. So y is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta plus tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta minus tan inverse of 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta by 1 minus 6 tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. You know that this value is tan 2 theta, this value is tan 3 theta, this value is tan 4 theta. We write y is equal to tan inverse of tan 2 theta plus tan inverse of tan 3 theta minus tan inverse of tan 4 theta. So tan inverse of tan 2 theta means 2 theta. This y is equal to 2 theta plus this is 3 theta minus this is 4 theta. So y is equal to 5 theta minus 4 theta. So y is equal to theta, that is equal to, you know that theta is equal to tan inverse x. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx, that is equal to, you know the formula for derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is the solution of the given example. By using substitution method, we get the given function is very easy. Compared to direct differentiation, we use substitution method, trigonometric substitution method. Automatically the problem is very easy. See the another example. If y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. Then find dy by dx. So you take given function, that is y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. This is the given function. We do the direct differentiation, it is very difficult. So we use substitution method, trigonometric substitution method. The derivative is very easy. So using trigonometric substitution, let x square is equal to cos 2 theta. It is equal to 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x square. Theta is equal to half cos inverse x square. So the value of x square is applying in the given function, that is y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Already we know the formulas in trigonometry, 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. By applying these two formulas in this function, we get y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus root of 1 plus cos 2 theta means root of 2 cos square theta plus root of 2 sin square theta by root of 2 cos square theta minus root of 2 sin square theta. So y is equal to tan inverse of, so cos square theta will come to outside, that is cos theta, also sin square theta will come to outside, that is sin theta, root 2 into cos theta plus root 2 into sin theta by root 2 into cos theta minus root 2 into sin theta. So that is y is equal to tan inverse of root 2 will common, that is cos theta plus sin theta by root 2 into cos theta minus sin theta. Root 2 cancel. It is y is equal to tan inverse of cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Dividing both numerator and denominator with cos theta, it is y is equal to tan inverse of cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta by cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. This y is equal to tan inverse of cos theta by cos theta means 1 plus sin by cos means tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. We can write it, that is y is equal to tan inverse of, we can write 1 is equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1 minus, we write tan theta means 1 into tan theta, we write 1 means tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So that is, it is like that tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. That is y is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus theta. Tan inverse tan cancel, that is y is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. Y is equal to, already we know that pi by 4 plus theta, theta means half cos inverse x square. Now differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Up to this one, we are doing only substitution simplification, not the derivative. Now onwards, we do the differentiation of the function. That is, dy by dx is equal to derivative of constant is 0 plus 1 by 2 into derivative of, it is like that cos inverse x. We know the formula for cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that is x square whole square into d by dx of x square. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 by root of 1 minus x power 4 into derivative of x square is 2x. 2 to cancel. Finally we get dy by dx is equal to minus x by root of 1 minus x power 4. This is the solution of the given example. This is very important example in public examination. So for 7 marks purpose. The previous 2 examples are also very important for 7 marks purpose in public examinations. Next, another method is implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation means the given function is in the form of both x and y. Then we differentiate, we get dy by dx. This is the implicit differentiation. The method of finding dy by dx of an implicit function given by the relation, that is f of x comma y equal to 0, is known as implicit differentiation. This can be illustrated by the following examples. Students, see the example. It is find dy by dx if 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Given 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is a implicit function because the function is mixed with both x and y. Now differentiating with this function, we get dy by dx. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x. 2 into d by dx of x square minus 3 into d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square plus d by dx of x plus 2 into d by dx of y minus d by dx of 8 is equal to 0. 2 into derivative of x square is 2x minus 3 into here uv form, that is x into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x plus d by dx of y square is 2y into dy by dx plus derivative of x is 1, it is plus 2 into derivative of y is dy by dx minus constant term is derivative of constant term is 0, that is 4x minus 3 into x into dy by dx plus y into 1 plus 2y into dy by dx plus 1 plus 2 into dy by dx is equal to 0. 4x minus 3x into dy by dx minus 3y plus 2y into dy by dx plus 1 plus 2 into dy by dx is equal to 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there. Out of these 6 terms, we have 3 dy by dx terms are there. First common these dy by dx. That is dy by dx is common. It is we get first write 2y plus 2 minus 3x. Next remaining terms are plus 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Non-dy by dx terms 1 plus 2y minus 3y plus 4x, that is 4x minus 3y plus 1. These three terms are go to right hand side, the signs are changed, that is dy by dx into 2y plus 2 minus 3x is equal to, so this plus goes to minus, this minus goes to plus, this plus goes to minus, that is 3y minus 4x minus 1. We write dy by dx is equal to 3y minus 4x minus 1 by 2y plus 2 minus 3x. So this is the derivative of the given implicit function, that is 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. See the another example. Find dy by dx if x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Given x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. It is a function, it is an implicit function mixed with both x and y. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x, it is dy by dx of x cube plus dy by dx of y cube is equal to 3a into dy by dx of xy. Derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 3a into, it is UV formula, it is x into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x. 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 3a into x into dy by dx plus y into 1. 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 3ax into dy by dx plus 3ay. We have left hand side is 2 terms and right hand side are 2 terms. In the is 4 terms, we have 2 terms belongs to dy by dx. So this term is shifted to left side, this term is shifted to right side. That is, we write 3y square into dy by dx minus 3ax into dy by dx is equal to 3ay minus 3x square. 3 into dy by dx is common. We write y square minus ax is equal to 3 is common. That is ay minus x square. Cancel both sides 3. That is, we write dy by dx is equal to y square minus ax is equal to ay minus x square. So dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square by y square minus ax. So we can also write it dy by dx is equal to x square minus ay by ax minus y square. So this is the derivative of the given function, that is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. So we know the formula for x cube, that is 3x square derivative, that is derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 3a into, by using UV formula here, x into dy by dx of y plus y into dy by dx of x. That is 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 3a into x into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1. So LHS is equal to 3a into x into 3ax into dy by dx plus 3ay. We have left hand side 2 terms and right hand side 2 terms are there. In 4 terms we have 2 dy by dx terms are there. Take one side dy by dx terms and other side non dy by dx terms. So dy by dx is common and also 3 is also common. So both sides cancel the 3. Finally we get the dy by dx. This is the derivative of the given implicit function, that is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy.